Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about the top places you can visit in the Czech Republic. From historic castles to stunning natural wonders, the Czech Republic is a country full of beauty and adventure. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Prague Castle is one of the largest castle complexes in the world and is home to several important historical buildings, including St. Vitus Cathedral and the Old Royal Palace. The castle is a must-visit for anyone who loves history and architecture. The Charles Bridge is one of the most iconic landmarks in Prague and offers stunning views of the city. It's a great place to take a walk and enjoy the sights and sounds of the city. Bohemian, Switzerland is a stunning national park located in the north of the Czech Republic. It's known for its unique rock formations and beautiful landscapes. Visitors can hike, cycle, or take a boat tour through the park. The historic center of Pilsen is a must-visit for anyone who loves old-world charm. The city is known for its beautiful architecture, including its Gothic and Renaissance-style buildings, and is home to the famous Pilsner Urquell brewery. The Terezín concentration camp memorial is a powerful reminder of the horrors of the Holocaust. The memorial is located in the former concentration camp and provides a sobering look at the events that took place there. The Lednice Vltava cultural landscape is a unique cultural and natural area in the south of the Czech Republic. It's known for its stunning landscapes, including parks, lakes, and vineyards, as well as its historic buildings, including the Lednice Castle. The Old Town Square in Prague is one of the city's most famous landmarks and is home to several important historical buildings, including the famous astronomical clock and the Teen Church. The square is also a great place to grab a bite to eat or shop for souvenirs. Wenceslas Square is one of the main shopping and cultural hubs in Prague and is home to several important historical landmarks, including the National Museum and the Jan Pollock Memorial. The square is also a popular spot for events and festivals. The Moravian Karst is a unique geological area in the southeast of the Czech Republic. It's known for its stunning caves and underground rivers, and is a popular spot for spelunking and other adventure activities. The historic center of Kutná Hora is a must-visit for anyone who loves old-world charm. The city is known for its beautiful architecture, including its Gothic and Renaissance-style buildings, and is home to the famous Sedlec ossuary. The historic center of Olomouc is a must-visit for anyone who loves old-world charm. The city is known for its beautiful architecture, including its Baroque and Renaissance-style buildings, and is home to several important historical landmarks, including the Holy Trinity Column and the St. Wenceslas Cathedral. So there you have it, the top places you can visit in the Czech Republic. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just looking for a unique cultural experience, the Czech Republic has something to offer everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.